Traders, welcome back. We are now taking a deeper look at BCH coin. And if you've been following the recent market structure, you'll notice something very important happening. When you zoom out and analyze the overall trend, BCH coin is clearly in an uptrend direction. The market has been forming a clean and consistent series of higher lows and higher highs, showing us that buyers have been in control and the bullish momentum is still active. This type of structure is exactly what smart traders watch for, because it tells us the bigger picture direction, and the bigger picture is pointing upward. Now let's focus on the key price zone that is currently the most important area to watch. If you look closely, we have a level that was originally acting as a support zone, where price reacted strongly and pushed upwards multiple times. But at some point, price broke below this zone, flipping it into a resistance level. Later, buyers pushed back and broke above that same zone again, flipping it back into support. This kind of level, a level that flips between support and resistance, is what professional traders call a high value decision zone, because it shows where the market has previously reacted with strong momentum. Right now, this level has flipped again into a support zone, and it remains our key level to watch as long as price stays above it. This kind of zone often decides the next major move, whether the uptrend continues or whether sellers attempt to take control. Here's what we're watching closely on BCH coin. If the price comes back to this support zone around $476 and forms a clear bullish candlestick, something like a bullish engulfing, a strong rejection wick, or a pin bar showing buyer strength, that becomes our confirmation to look for a buy entry. A bullish reaction at support signals that buyers are defending the level and are ready to continue pushing the trend upward. However, if the price does not respect this support and instead breaks below it with strong bearish momentum, that is a sign that sellers are stepping back into the market. In that situation, the support level will flip back into resistance for the second time, and sellers become more likely to take control. If that happens, our plan is to wait patiently for the retest of the broken level around the same $476 zone. If the retest forms a bearish candlestick confirmation, that becomes our setup to look for a sell entry from there to the downside. So in summary, BCH coin is currently in an uptrend, forming consistent higher lows and higher highs, which means buyers are still holding market structure. We have a major key level around $476 that previously acted as support, flipped to resistance, and now flipped back to support. As long as the market respects this level, we look for a buy. But if the market breaks below it, we wait for the retest and look for a sell. Traders, what do you think? Will BCH coin respect the $476 support again and continue pushing upward? Or will sellers break through and shift the direction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Alright traders, that is all we have on BCH coin for today. Stay sharp, trade smart, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video.